What's good, Mr. Mead? If you're watching this video, it's because you've been chosen to do lesson 2, where we'll be talking about factoring polynomials, in this case, trinomials, when the leading coefficient is equal to 1. Remember, in the polynomial expression, this is our expression in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, where these variables represent these variables in terms or constants in the polynomial expression down here. So let's take a look at it. We have x squared plus 1x minus 6, okay? Remember, it's an invisible 1 in front of that x squared, and there is an invisible 1 in front of that x. There's a invisible 1 in that exponent right there, minus 6, okay? Step 1, we need to find two numbers that multiply to our c value and add to our b value. Remember, I said b, not bx, so that means if b is in front of the x right here, then that means I'm talking about that 1, not 1x. b, not 1x, okay? I mean bx. b, not bx. So, two numbers, take the factor. Here's my factors of negative 6. 1 times negative 6, 2 times negative 3, 3 times negative 2, and 6 times negative 1. Out of these sets, which two numbers add to my b? From c, which two numbers add to b? Well, right there. Negative 3 minus 2 is a positive 1. So all I do is create an open two sets of parentheses, or I have x showed in the front of both, and then I take my positive 3 and I drop it in there, and I take my negative 2 and I drop it in there, and that's my answer. Let me work this out in front of you so you guys your misconceptions could be clarified just a little bit better. Again, step 1, what two numbers multiply to c, or 6, and add to 5. So again, my multiples of 6 are 1 and 6, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 6 and 1. Okay. Out of these sets right here, which two add to 5 or b? Well, I got 2 and 3, or 3 and 2. It doesn't matter. Both of these guys add to 5. So let's take the 3 and the 2 right here. So what I do is create two parentheses, where again, like here, I put x in the front of both of them. X in the front because this is x squared. And then I drop those values in. So I got a positive 3 and a positive 2, or a positive 2 and a positive 3. It didn't matter which way you put it because I got two solutions right there, okay? And this is basically my answer. This is how you factor trinomials, or polynomial expressions, trinomials to be exact.